Hi friends, so I am giving you a weekly update on my terrace farm, and this is a 1 week update. Uh, it was last week that we started and commissioned the entire farm. So here it is. Like I showed you earlier, we have everything on timer, and we have got generally two sections. One is the drip irrigation system, and HP stands for hydroponics. So we have these two separate systems here, and I will just take you through that. And like I told you earlier in my earlier video, we have this 500-liter tank, which is specifically for these plants which are being grown in coco peat in grow bags. And then we have these two systems, two hydroponic systems. One is a NFT system, and the second one is a DWC, or a deep horticulture system. So last week I had put in the brinjal small seedlings here. So as you see, most of them have survived except two. So these two I have just now transplanted tomato plants here, and as you see, the other plants are faring quite okay for the time being, and we have these four cucumber plants. So this system is basically 20 plants, and then this is the reservoir, and that's how it works. And here we have capsicum plants. So I have put multiple plants here because I'm trying out all of them. So we have capsicum plants here. As you see, some of the plants have done better than the others. I don't know why. This is a cucumber plant which I had just replaced because one of the capsicum plants had died. And then you see these cucumber plants which are doing very, very well, and they have got like huge leaves. And this is Indian mustard. So I have harvested them once. Last week I got about 200 grams of mustard leaves from this. So that is sarson ka saag. We really enjoyed it. And by the way, that was the first harvest out of this farm. And we have this 100-liter tank, like I told you earlier. So this is this now. As you see here, in the grow bags, the cucumbers, they have just come in. They are doing well. We have these ridge guard, bottle guard. They are also doing fairly well. The leaves are looking very healthy and good. So I need to now tie them so that they can grow upwards. And this is one zucchini plant which I had planted earlier. So I need to shift it to a grow bag, which I will be doing soon. And you can see all the plants, they are doing pretty okay. So these are turmeric and ginger. So they are also doing very, very well. And then here, see, we have these ladies' fingers coming up. And of course I will be reducing the number of plants here. What I did was I put them for direct germination in this, rather than doing separately in a germination tray. Now this is corianders. Coriander has not yet come. Okay, and here you see these are tomatoes which are coming up. That is methi, that is cholai, and then we have got these beans, long beans. So fairly very good. Chili has not yet germinated. I believe they should do in some time. And even ridge guard, only one plant has germinated till now, and they would be coming in. I have got some basil here, which I think I will be planting it somewhere, I don't know where. And in fact, I will be replacing the mustard seeds now with tomato seeds, with tomato saplings, which will be ready there. I will have about 10 to 15 good plants here, which I will transplant there, and I will keep you guys updated. Happy growing.